Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn what makes Mongolia, the land of pristine wilderness, the suitable destination for a young and curious traveler like you. Let's get started. Mongolia, a land of endless blue skies, vast steppes, and nomadic traditions, is an exotic travel destination that has remained a well-kept secret for too long. Mongolia offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and the great outdoors. Nomadic culture. Step into a traditional ger, yurt, the portable dwelling of the Mongolian nomads, and you'll find a warm welcome among the people. You can immerse yourself in the daily routines of the nomads, helping with tasks like herding livestock, milking cows, and making dairy products. A surreal landscape. The Gobi Desert, known as one of the world's most dramatic landscapes, is an otherworldly destination within Mongolia. You can explore the Gobi's mysterious dunes, discovering rare wildlife like the Bactrian camel and the elusive snow leopard. A visit to the Flaming Cliffs, where dinosaur fossils have been uncovered, is a fascinating step back in time. Mongolian horseback riding. Mongolia's nomadic lifestyle heavily relies on horses. Embark on horseback journeys through Mongolia's pristine wilderness, experiencing the nomadic way of life firsthand. Whether it's herding animals, galloping across the steppe, or participating in traditional horse games, you'll forge a unique connection with Mongolia's most cherished companions. Heart of Mongolia. Karakoram, formerly known as Karakoram, was the capital of the Mongol Empire during Genghis Khan's reign. You can visit the Erdene-Ju Monastery, the country's oldest Buddhist temple, and explore the ruins of the ancient city. A cultural extravaganza. Don't miss the Naadam Festival, Mongolia's most significant and traditional celebration, which showcases the three games: wrestling, horse racing, and archery. The Naadam Festival offers a fascinating window into Mongolian culture, with vibrant displays of traditional art, song, dance, and an opportunity to mingle with locals. Your journey to Mongolia will not only be an adventure but also a cultural immersion into a land where time-honored traditions and modern-day living coexist in harmony. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: Mongolia is filled with its nomadic heritage, pristine landscapes, and rich history. Mongolia offers you a chance to experience a world far away from your daily lives. It's a place where the great outdoors invites exploration, where horses are friends, and where history and tradition are celebrated with open arms. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.